Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this 2025 Jeep Compass Trailhawk that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the Jeep today just to show you some of the features and options that this Jeep has to offer. Now as we come around towards the back here, you can see you do have your rear park sensor. You can see your sensors there across that back bumper. The backup camera also equipped back there, power lift gate. You can see in the back here, plenty of room back there to store your gear and bags kind of out of the way while on the go. That second row also does fold down when those seats aren't needed to give you a little bit more cargo space. Your full-size spare tire back there. Again, just your power lift gate. Now this Jeep also offers great 4x4 capabilities, giving you great handling on even some of those tougher road conditions. Checking out some of the features inside here. So the Jeep itself can sit up to 5 passengers. You can get 3 in that back seat. Floor mats included both front and back, so a great little accessory you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Seats themselves are a leather seat, so do offer plenty of comfort for you and your passengers as well. So checking out some of the features up front here. So touchscreen display area, very user-friendly interface with that Uconnect system equipped in there. So you do have access to, of course, all your audio media controls, Bluetooth capabilities in there. Climate control options also accessible in through there as well. You do have dual climate control, again, your Bluetooth capabilities, and access to just some of the settings and apps. Just below that, again, access to just your basic audio media controls, climate controls in through there, USB port hookups just down in there, a little bit of storage space in throughout that center console area as well. Key fob for the Jeep right here, so remote start is equipped, so again, another great feature. You don't have to worry about post-purchase. There's your push button start just in behind. Steering wheel mount controls, so you do have your cruise control options, Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities in on that left hand side, audio media controls in behind the steering wheel, so you can easily keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. All of your power windows, locked side mirrors. But if you're looking for a great little SUV, something that offers great 4x4 capabilities and is loaded with a great list of features, this 2025 Jeep Compass could be for you. If you have questions, please feel free to give the team a call at 780-826-2999 or follow the links below.